We are going to read Kit and Kim Are Kin. This book focuses on our new letter and sound, the letter K. I'm going to read the book out loud. All you have to do is follow along at home. This is Kit. He has a big, fat pig. This is Kim. She is Kit's big sis. She is kin to Kit. Kim has a tan kid, but she does not want it. She wants Kit's fat pig. She will get his pig. Kim gets the pig. She likes the pig a lot. She likes to hug and kiss the pig. Kit does not want his pig. He wants Kim's tan kid. He will get her kid. Kit likes the tan kid a lot. He likes to hug and kiss it. That's the end of our book.